So here's an update on one of our concertina books that I'm making with Sue King in Ohio. And this book took quite a long trip to get back to the UK after Sue posted it, because it took a detour back and forth to America a couple of times and then on to Singapore for some strange reason. But anyway, it arrived eventually, and here I am opening the package. We have a little notebook where we keep a record of the changes that we make and send each other postcards and little bits and pieces in the package as well. So here's the book, which I started and Sue has been adding to. Oh, so this is interesting. Sue's made a little window and there's some beautiful hand-printed collage pieces, I think, and some stitching, which I think is probably from the other side, but it looks really beautiful and delicate on this paper. Looks like waves or patterns in the sand. Beautiful, I think, printed fabric piece. And the tiniest little pebble. Gorgeous. And Sue's added some line drawing to go with my pebble shapes and some more beautiful collage. I like the little aperture. It's great that you can adapt the shape of the book. So we're on to the other side of the book now, and oh, that's pretty. Looks like St. Ives, I reckon. I like the idea of hidden parts of the book and the line drawing continuing. There's a beautiful gold shimmer on this seaweed. You can just see it in the light. Ah, here we go. So this is where the stitching is from, over a beautiful collaged piece of hand-printed paper, I think. I love the stitching. Feels really nice to the touch. And oh, this is just delightful. It looks like little tiny beads. Can't see if they've been stitched or glued on, but they're absolutely exquisite against this paper. Oh, and there's the aperture again. So we've got a different view from this side, which is really clever. Good planning, Sue. Let's have a look at it from the other side. So you can see my collograph through it from this side and the little picture of St. Ives on that side. Lovely. Can't wait to see what I'm going to do with it next. So it's a couple of weeks later, and here are my updates to the book, which is now back in America with Sue for her next round. So I added some photographs and some more collaged pieces. Added some colour to this page and a little poem. Some cyanolumen print, which I've put into the book, and some more collage from hand-printed paper. Some more collograph, and we've got a mix of kind of bold, colourful pages and still plenty of white spaces and calmer areas to still work with. Another cyanolumen print here. Very much continuing the beachy, watery, water's edge theme. So still plenty of space for Sue to do some more work with.